I know you heard of candied yams, but we're gonna mix it up a little bit. I went in the store and found these purple Stokes sweet potatoes. We're comparing to our regular sweet potatoes. Let's get to it, y'all. It's JB Sutton Ham. So we got some medium-sized potatoes, not too thick. We want these easy to cut. Just gonna start by peeling these back. See, I usually use a knife like the old folks, but I don't want nobody cutting their thumbs off and blaming me for it. So grab your potato peeler. But anyway, I'm gonna just keep peeling these back till I get to the deep part of these yams. And unlike these orange sweet potatoes, the Stoke, which is the purple ones, did a little research on them, and they're not as sweet as these. But check out this nice deep purple and this color contrast. So we got both potato peels. I move in dark spots, anything like that. Now we're just gonna chop these up. The tip of these, not gonna be able to use that. Gonna be too small to cook. So I'm gonna try to use the thicker part of the sweet potato. We're gonna just cut these into like 1/4 inch pieces. About, around about this size right here. I'm just gonna come and do the same thing with these purple ones. So the main focus is not having them too thick so they don't take too long to cook. So we're gonna season these separately. I got a stick of butter melted right here. We're gonna add some brown sugar. Then we're gonna come behind there with some white sugar. Stir it up a little bit. Now we got some cinnamon, some ground cinnamon that is. Stir it up. Every time I make some yams, y'all, it reminds me of making a sweet potato pie. And then we're just gonna add a little bit of nutmeg. But I tell you what you won't see. I'm not making a sweet potato pie no stoked potatoes. We're just gonna stir this up, try to beat all the lumps up. You don't want any lumps in this. We're just gonna pour this directly over our sweet potatoes. All of it. And now you just wanna give us a couple stirs. Make sure you get all these coated. Now I'm just gonna lay these, kind of like stack these on top of each other. All right, now we're just gonna drizzle this excess over here. You don't have to use all this. It's gonna be a lot of butter dripping at the bottom of this, but just just a nice little extra coating. Now for our purple sweet potatoes, everything is the same except for the amount of brown sugar we're using. Simply because, like I said, these not as sweet as the orange ones, and we want to enhance the sweetness because they call candy yams, y'all, not bland yams. So we got our oven already preheated to 365. We're gonna cook these low and slow because I really want them flavors to get deep up in these yams, y'all. Take a look at both of these. They're ready to go. Yes, sir. Look at this. Man, if your sweet potatoes not looking like this, if your yams not looking like this, they not done right. They glistening. They shining. Let's get these a taste, y'all. Look at that purple, just that butter making it pop. I don't know which one to try first. I'm gonna try the purple ones first. Mm. Man, that's you want them mushy. Mm. I like that for that old favorite. Man, this is what you want. You want them. See how you know how it's supposed to be. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. I'm gonna have to give it to the old faithful, y'all. But please try the Stokes if you feel like it. It's up to you. But don't forget to like, subscribe, share the video. Stokes sweet potatoes, the old fashioned candy yams, y'all. JB Sudden Hands. Thanks for watching.